That was the time when all insects and all animals got their colors. The ermine was dark brown. All the animals knew that, and all hunters lived in a wooden house in the middle of the forest. Ermine was brown. He climbed up the chimney. Suddenly, the hunter returned from hunting and closed the door and fell on the bubbling water. Put it out of the water. The old man kept the ermine and took care of its food turned white. One day the old man looked at his dog of butter, and he noticed the marks of small ermine teeth. Hunter was angry. He wanted to catch a thief. He pretended to go hunting and hide. When the ermine crept up to the party, the old man hit it with a stick, but he hit the tip of the tail. Since then, the tip of the ermine's tail has become black, and people began to call him Market Brother.